Hey there! Welcome to our video about the 5 easiest AI side hustles to start in 2023. If you're interested in using your AI skills to make some extra money, then you're in the right place. Artificial intelligence is growing rapidly and there are many opportunities for individuals to make money using their skills. So, without further ado, let's dive into the 5 easiest AI side hustles to start in 2023. Virtual Assistant. One of the easiest AI side hustles to start in 2023 is working as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants help individuals and businesses with administrative tasks such as email management, scheduling, and social media management. With your AI skills, you can automate many of these tasks, making it easier for you to complete them quickly and efficiently. You can work from home, and the demand for virtual assistants is only increasing. AI translation services. If you are fluent in multiple languages and have AI skills, then AI translation services could be an excellent side hustle for you. AI-powered translation services are becoming increasingly popular, and many businesses are willing to pay for accurate translations. You can start by offering your services on freelance platforms or building your website to market your services. AI chatbot development. AI chatbots are becoming more and more prevalent in customer service and sales. Businesses are using chatbots to automate customer interactions and improve their customer experience. As an AI chatbot developer, you can create chatbots for small businesses or develop your own chatbot and sell it to larger companies. This is an excellent opportunity to use your AI skills and make some extra money. AI writing assistants. If you love writing, then offering AI writing assistant services could be an excellent side hustle for you. AI writing tools can help with everything from grammar and spelling to content creation and research. You can offer your services to individuals, businesses, or other content creators who need help with their writing. There are many AI writing tools available, and you can leverage them to help your clients produce high-quality content. AI-powered market research. Market research is essential for businesses looking to launch new products or services. As an AI-powered market researcher, you can help businesses gather data and analyze it to make informed decisions. You can offer your services to small businesses or startups that may not have the budget for traditional market research. AI-powered market research is more accurate and efficient, making it a valuable service for businesses of all sizes. That's it for our video on the 5 easiest AI side hustles to start in 2023. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, there are many opportunities for individuals with AI skills, and starting a side hustle could be an excellent way to make some extra money. So, pick a side hustle that interests you, and start using your AI skills to make money today.